Assalamualaikum, my name is Warda rule number 23, and this is the video of exercise number 4 of geocoding, which is matching geocoding addresses in a table and rematching unmatched addresses. So इस एक्सरसाइज में हम लोग देखेंगे कि जो अनमैच्ड एड्रेसेस हैं उनको रीमैच कैसे करते हैं। तो स्क्रीन शेयर करिए इसके लिए। First, here is the reference PPT जिसमें steps लिखे हुए हैं। ये how to match the unmatched addresses. I'm going to perform these steps one by one. That is taking some time. So first step यहाँ पे है कि I need to add data of my interest. अटलांटा को क्लिक करेंगे और यहाँ से हम लोगों को स्ट्रीट The next step is in this table of content, click on this customers and then geocode addresses. अब यहाँ पे I need to click on this add data, add button, and then navigate towards the folder where the data is. For this purpose, I need to add the address locator, Atlanta address locator. So I'm going to add this, and then OK. After adding Atlanta address locator, dialog box will appear like this. I need to navigate the output folder and then click this save as type file and person geodatabase feature class. I would like to save it like this. Yeah. So, okay. So here is the window which is showing the statistics of your coding addresses, like how much of addresses are matched and which are tied and how much are unmatched. So click on this close. By clicking on this, the geocoding results layer is added in this map. Now I am going to right click on this, select this geocoding layer, and then I am going towards the geocoding toolbar and then select the view rematch addresses. So here's the window which is showing unmatched addresses. I am dragging down this raw result window and clicking on all addresses. So these are the two candidates which are not matched addresses. So first click on this first one and then zoom to candidate. This is the point which is not matched yet. I need to match this, and for this purpose, I need to select the last candidate and then click this match option. By clicking on this match option, this will match. The next step is I need to click on this pick address from map, and then let's see how much are these points. These are almost 50 points. The first one is highlighted one. Then click on this point. Click on this one and right click. Acha. Click here. After clicking on the pick addresses from map, I need to right click on this area and pick addresses. By doing pick addresses, a point will appear on this empty space of the map. The next step, let's see what it is. Next step is click close. So, click. Then the next step is click on the customer and then geocode addresses. And then add composite address locator, which I aggregated in exercise number 2, and then add OK. So I need to save these changes. You can also rename it. The exercise number 4 of matching or rematch unmatched addresses. My name is Warda and I have performed this exercise number 4 of geocoding one by one following the steps which are mentioned in the tutorial or reference PPT.